Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean, flat workspace. First, power down your DELL Vostro 5000 and disconnect it from any power source. Remove any peripherals connected to the laptop, such as USB devices or external monitors. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. It's essential to keep track of which screws go where, as they may vary in size. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a plastic spudger or your fingers. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop, including the RAM slots. Before proceeding, it's advisable to wear an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static electricity from damaging the components. If you don't have one, ensure you touch a metal surface to discharge any static. Now, locate the RAM slots. Depending on your model, you may have 1 or 2 slots available. If you are replacing existing RAM, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM module to release it. Carefully pull the module out at a slight angle. If you are adding new RAM, align the notch on the RAM module with the slot and insert it at a 30-degree angle. Once in place, press down firmly until the clips click into place, securing the RAM module. After installing the RAM, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Once you've completed the installation and cleaning, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the threads. Now, flip the laptop back over and reconnect the power supply. Power on your DELL Vostro 5000 and enter the BIOS by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually F2 or delete. Check that the new RAM is recognized in the system settings. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop upgraded without any hassle. Additionally, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what your laptop needs. Once you've confirmed the RAM is recognized, exit the BIOS and boot into your operating system. You should notice improved performance, especially when multitasking or running memory-intensive applications. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in our services. Congratulations on successfully upgrading your DELL Vostro 5000 series RAM. Enjoy the enhanced performance and efficiency. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.